Every world has a story. Some shine with life, some fade into silence. And then there's Mars, a planet that once burned bright beside Earth, a planet that dreamed of oceans and skies, but ended up alone, cold, and red. This is the story of how Mars was born, how it lived and how it died. Slowly, beautifully, tragically. Birth of Mars. 4.5 billion years ago, from clouds of dust and fire, Mars was born. It was young, glowing, and full of hope, just like Earth. They were siblings of the same sun, created in the same cosmic cradle. For a moment in time, the universe gave both worlds a chance to live. Earth's twin. Mars wasn't always a frozen desert. Long ago, it had rivers that carved valleys, lakes that reflected the sunlight, and maybe rain that fell softly on its surface. It was Earth's twin, smaller, yes, but with the same rhythm of day, the same dream of life. Signs of ancient life. NASA found the proof: ancient riverbeds, frozen lakes, and chemical traces that whisper of what once was. If there was life, even the smallest form of it, then Mars was never just rock and dust. It was alive. It had purpose. The death of the magnetic field. But every heartbeat has an end. Mars began to cool inside. Its molten core went silent. And with that silence, the planet lost its magnetic shield. The sun's radiation started stripping away the air, molecule by molecule, turning life into silence, warmth into ice. The atmosphere collapsed. Without air, the pressure dropped, the oceans evaporated, and Mars became a place where even a whisper would vanish instantly. It didn't explode. It didn't burn. It simply faded, piece by piece, until only dust remained. The red desert. That's how Mars became red. Not from fire, but from rust. Iron reacting with the air that was disappearing. The color of Mars isn't death, it's memory. A world remembering what it once was. Life beneath the surface. Yet maybe Mars isn't done. Beneath the frozen crust, there are signs of water, ice sheets, hidden lakes, even faint bursts of methane. Somewhere in that silence, something tiny might still be alive. Maybe Mars never gave up completely. Human colonization. Now humanity looks at Mars like a mirror of its own destiny. We dream of building cities there, breathing new life into a world that lost its own. But Mars won't make it easy. Its air is poison, its cold is deadly, and its storms can last for months. Still, we want to try, because maybe giving Mars another chance means giving ourselves one too. Terraforming Mars. Scientists imagine warming the poles, thickening the air, and creating a second Earth under a different sky. Maybe one day Mars will breathe again, not through nature, but through us. A planet reborn by the children of Earth. A world that once died, finding life again through human hands. The future of Mars. Maybe Mars isn't a story about death. Maybe it's a story about waiting. Waiting for the universe to remember it. Waiting for us to return. Because the universe never destroys, it transforms. And sometimes, even a dead world still dreams of being alive. Mars once had oceans, skies, and maybe even hearts that beat. It lost them all, but not forever. If you believe that even forgotten worlds can live again, then subscribe to Dark Side Science. Because here we don't just tell stories, we awaken them.